Welcome to NextRader. In this video, I'll show you how to use NextRader to analyze the market, understand AI trading signals, customize your charts, and place trades manually with proper risk management. NextRader is an AI-powered trading analysis platform designed for Deriv traders. It combines real-time charts, advanced indicators, and multi-timeframe signals to help you make informed trading decisions. Let's start. First, open the NextRader website and go to the Signals section. This is where all live market analysis is displayed. To access trading signals, you must log in. Log in using your Deriv account or create a new one if you don't already have an account. Once logged in, your balance and account details will appear at the top of the screen. Now the platform is fully unlocked. Next, select a market. For this example, we'll use the Volatility 100 index. The live chart loads instantly. You can switch between timeframes such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. Each time frame shows a trade direction and a confidence level. Higher confidence usually means stronger confirmation. Before placing any trade, always analyze the chart carefully. Look at the trend, recent price movement, and indicator behavior. You can also change markets using the symbol search. This allows you to analyze boom, crash, and other volatility indices easily. Now let's focus on the chart itself. At the top of the chart, you can switch between the NextRader chart and the TradingView chart. The TradingView tab gives you access to professional charting tools. With TradingView, you can zoom in and out, draw trend lines, mark support and resistance, and study price action in detail. This is especially useful for traders who prefer manual technical analysis. You can also change timeframes directly from the TradingView interface. Lower timeframes are suitable for quick trades, while higher timeframes help confirm the overall market direction. Now open the Chart Settings panel. Under the Signals tab, you'll see a list of AI-powered trading tools. These tools generate visual signals directly on the chart. Trend Hunter uses EMA crossovers and works best in trending markets. It helps identify trend direction and early trend changes. Reversal Radar looks for potential market reversals. This tool is useful when the market is overbought or oversold. Momentum Wave analyzes MACD momentum. It helps confirm whether price movement has strong momentum or is weakening. Volatility Pulse uses Bollinger Bands to detect volatility breakouts. This is helpful during fast market movements. Swift Scalper is designed for short-term trades. It uses stochastic signals to find quick entry opportunities. TrendRider follows strong, sustained trends. It works best on higher timeframes. Cloudwalker is based on Ichimoku cloud analysis. It helps identify trend direction along with support and resistance zones. Price Magnet uses VWAP bounce signals. This tool helps identify pullbacks to key average price levels. Breakout Beast focuses on ATR-based volatility breakouts. It helps spot when the market is preparing for a strong move. You don't need to enable all signals at once. For best results, select only 2 or 3 tools that match your trading strategy. After choosing your signals, click Apply to update the chart. Now open the Indicators tab. Here you can enable technical indicators such as EMA, RSI, and ATR. EMA helps identify the trend. RSI shows overbought and oversold levels, and ATR measures market volatility. Apply the settings to update the chart. Now let's analyze a live signal. Click View Details on a 5-minute signal. This opens a full AI explanation of the trade setup. NextRader explains the signal using RSI, MACD, EMA, and market structure. You'll also see suggested entry, stop loss, take profit levels, and risk to reward ratio. Always review this information before placing a trade. If everything aligns, click Place Trade. Enter a small stake amount to manage risk properly. Confirm the trade to open it manually. The trade will now appear under Active Trades, where you can monitor it in real time. Next, open the MT5 Setup section. This guide explains how to trade using MetaTrader 5. You'll learn how to create an MT5 account, log in, locate volatility indices, and place trades. This is useful for traders who prefer MT5 execution. Now check the 1-hour signal. Higher timeframe signals help confirm the overall market trend. When higher and lower timeframes align, the trade setup is usually stronger. Next, open the Auto Trader tab. Here you can see automated trading options like stake amount, win target, and loss limit. Auto trading is optional and disabled by default. For beginners, manual trading is recommended. Finally, open the Digit Trader section. This tool analyzes digit patterns and probabilities. You can see digit distribution, pattern heat maps, recent trends, and AI recommendations. Digit trading requires a different strategy and should be practiced first. Remember, NextRader is an analysis tool, not a guarantee of profits. Trading always involves risk. Start with a demo account, use small stakes, and stay disciplined. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to start using NextRader today.